In this video, we are gonna make some best egg fried rice of some popular YouTube chefs from Uncle Roger to Jamie Olive Oil and rate them out of 10. Let's see who has the best egg fried rice. At the end, I'm gonna do something diabolical. So watch the video till the end.
The perfect fried rice. Can something like that even exist?
So let's make the perfect egg fried rice of Nick DiGiovanni.
It's time to get cooking.
It's time to let it cook.
Yes, I understand that this right here might be the biggest wok you've ever seen.
This might be the weirdest wok you have ever seen.
Hiya!
It's okay until it works.
To start, we'll go heat on.
To start, here we go, heat on.
Season our entire wok with some pork fat.
I'm using oil because I am a rare person who never ate pork and a non-Muslim.
Like this. Next, I'm gonna go into a bowl with 3 egg yolks and 2 additional eggs.
So I'm using one of plain boiled white egg.
Those of you watching better master the one-handed egg crack.
I wanted to learn one hand crack. If you are interested in me failing one hand crack, comment down.
Now we'll whisk these up with some chopsticks, making sure that they're nice and fully
I don't know how to use chopsticks, so I'm using my baby fork.
provide not only more color in the fried rice, but also more fat. And who doesn't love fat?
As a person who can never know the taste of fat, I completely agree.
Season as I go, hitting it with just a little bit of white pepper.
Little bit of black pepper.
And then into our wok we go.
Into our so-called wok, eggs go in.
Just watch as that beautiful egg puffs up.
Watching my handsome egg puffs up like Powerpuff Girls.
My goal now is going to be to keep it nice and fluffy while also breaking it up into little bits that will spread throughout the fried rice.
Keeping my eggs nice and fluffy and making into little bits.
Now that the egg is all set, I'm going to go in with some chili or pepper, whatever you have.
I only have chili, so I'm gonna add chili.
And then a nice bit of my minced garlic. Now,
A nice amount of hand-chopped garlic.
we'll mix that all around and let it get nice and aromatic.
Mixing it until it becomes nice and aromatic.
But at this point, it's time to add in our beautiful, leftover, fluffy white rice.
Now I'm gonna add my rice from 21st century.
If you haven't liked and subscribed by now, I don't know what
I'm copying your content, Nick, and I liked and subscribed.
you're doing. Now we finally reached the point for our MSG, and we're gonna be generous with it.
Adding my MSG, moist salt granules.
It's time for a little bit of soy sauce,
It's time for sodium liquid.
a nice handful of green onion because I love green onion, and
Red onions because I hate green onions.
right here is where you can normally finish up that fried rice.
So abnormally finishing up the fried rice.
Failure! Now that right there is some fried rice. And
This something is some fried rice. Taste test. It has that flavor of the good fried rice, but not as good as Takeout. So
Yeah!
my execution is 6.69 out of.
You. And as promised, I'm gonna make my egg fried rice today.
Today we are making egg fried rice from God himself.
Step 1, throw away your chili jam.
I don't have chili jam to begin with.
First step is garlic.
So the first step is garlic.
For 1 portion of egg fried rice, at least 5
I think that's enough to kill a baby.
smash the garlic so you don't end up like Kay cooking.
Smash the garlic so I don't end up like her.
But Liz is rice cooker fucker.
And I'm a.
Basic Mitch.
Induction stove high. Liz, where your fire?
There is my fire.
Failure.
Sorry. There is my fire.
First coat the wok with oil.
Coating with the oil. Specifically, I am using peanut oil because I don't have peanut allergy.
Once the oil starts smoking, throw away the oil. Correct so far?
Oil is heated up, so I threw the oil away.
Vegetable oil okay also. Just don't use olive oil.
Well, I cannot afford olive oil because it's too expensive.
Okay, first thing in garlic and shallot.
The next step, onion and the garlic.
Fry it a bit until it's fragrant.
Frying until it becomes fragrant like Sydney Sweeney.
Next step, egg.
Next step, egg. Wait, did I put rice in there?
You fucked up.
Now I cannot afford to go back, so let's continue.
Hiya. Rice. Uncle Roger never measure. Now we add soy sauce. Just use feeling.
Soy sauce. Now I do not hear the sizzle. I hear Uncle Roger yelling at me.
Hiya.
Now I am adding egg by adjusting the rice position to make space for the egg.
And now the most important ingredient, MSG. Yo.
Regular salt because I couldn't find MSG in my town.
And your final garnish. Spring onion and chili.
Red onions because I like it.
Stir everything around.
Not bad, it doesn't look that bad.
You lying to people. And now it's ready to be served.
Now it's ready to throw in trash.
What the fuck is this?
I don't know.
Eat rice with fork. Okay, this is better. Either spoon or chopstick only.
I haven't done dishes. All the spoons are under quarantine.
You lying to people.
I don't have chopsticks, so I'm gonna use this baby fork. It tastes sad. As this is a failed attempt, we are gonna do redemption arc someday. And I will come back with every ingredient, including MSG.
Yeah!
Want to make delicious fried rice like this without one of these?
So let's make Uncle Andy's egg fried rice. I don't have
So you're gonna need a wok or a large frying pan.
that wok, so I'm using wok alike.
Basic Mitch.
So because we don't have the heat of a proper wok, we have to do things in batches. Eggs,
A single egg. Crack open into the bowl. Now mix into homogeneous liquid until you lose patience.
on the heat,
On the heat,
oil. Once your
oil,
oil smoking, eggs go in.
oil vaping, egg going.
Let that blister on the outside.
Scrambled.
Scrambling the eggs vigorously.
Rice.
Rice from the 21st century. Mix the rice.
Peas.
I don't have that.
Soy sauce around the outside on the rim.
Soy sauce into the rice. Mixing until it mixed. Trust me, this is my original line. I did not steal it from other YouTuber.
Spring onion greens.
Red onions white. The taste test. Guys, don't waste food.
Failure.
Anyway, that's yummy. I'm so proud of me.
Yeah!
If you know Uncle Roger, you know he's a pretty good judge of fried rice.
So let's make egg fried rice from my favorite internet papa, the Mexican lady.
But I know we can make it better.
Let's try to make better egg fried rice than Uncle Roger.
Dance to the song of its people.
And why is Papa looking like Jesus?
For our fried rice sauce, get a small bowl.
Small bowl.
Add a 1-inch knob of galangal that's
I replaced galangal with ginger,
1 teaspoon of sesame oil,
sesame oil,
1 tablespoon of Malaysian sambal,
chilies, onion, sugar.
3 cloves of finely chopped garlic,
Not so finely chopped garlic.
1 tablespoon of sweet soy sauce, and 1.5 tablespoons of double-aged soy sauce.
Just normal soy sauce.
That's your sauce.
That is peach sauce. Sorry.
Gordon might have 2 woks. Have 3 woks.
I have a wok lookalike.
Beautiful, big, juicy wok.
Beautiful, big, juicy.
Sorry, adopted children.
Place it on your stove, drizzle in 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and begin heating over medium-high.
On medium heat, add vegetable oil.
Swirl the oil around your wok and keep heating until the oil begins to smoke.
Oil begin to smoke.
Swirl it around again, then pour your oil out, make sure.
Pour the oil out into the other bowl.
From there I added 3.5 tablespoons of cold smoked duck fat. Yes, you know what?
I think I don't have that fancy cold smoked duck fat, so I'm using cold peanut fat.
Garlic and fry, stirring,
Adding my garlic completely hand chopped and frying them until they are fried.
then immediately add 2 finely diced shallots,
Immediately adding my quarter of finely diced onion and frying it until it fries.
2 finely diced red chilies, these are red Fresno chilies,
Half a green chili.
and 2 green onions which have been finely sliced.
Nah, I don't have them.
Stir fry over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes.
Stir frying on medium heat.
Crack 2 to 3 large eggs.
Cracking one average sized egg.
Whisk them together till homogenized.
Whisking them until homogenized.
Then add them to your stir-fried vegetables.
Adding them into my stir-fried almost non-existent vegetables. As Gordon Ramsay said, feel the sound of eggs. Let them blister away.
Let that blister on the outside.
Once your eggs are nice and cooked and look like this,
The eggs are nice and cooking like this.
add 3.5 to 4 cups of already cooked cold rice.
Adding my 21st century rice. Sorry, it cooked like 5 hours before recording this video.
You guessed it. Papa's favorite cheat code of cuisine.
Papa's not favorite cheat code. Moist, sensual granules.
Toss it all together, turn off the heat, and finally grab some strawberry jam and
That's a joke.
Even if Papa Jesus is serious, I cannot add it since I don't have it.
instead add your fried rice sauce from earlier.
Adding my fried rice sauce from earlier.
Stir and toss that together until evenly distributed.
Stir and toss. Stir and toss until evenly distributed like this.
Then just pop your fried rice onto a nice plate.
Popping my fried rice onto the plate. Now the taste. I missed a lot of ingredients, but the fact that it is still able to eatable is surprising. It is solid 6.869 out of 10.
Yeah!
I hope Papa and Uncle likes it.
Failure. Uncle Roger, I'm gonna recreate Jamie Oliver egg fried rice.
So I'm gonna recreate Uncle Roger's recreation of Jamie Oliver's egg fried rice.
Egg fried rice, an absolute classic.
Egg fried rice is an absolute classic.
Spring onion, we get
them
it sizzling straight away.
White onion. It did not sizzle right away.
You hear sizzling, I hear my ancestors crying.
I cannot listen my ancestors crying because they are dead more than a zombie.
Little bit of chili jam.
I couldn't find chili jam near me, so I asked the god of AI, ChatGPT, to create me a simple version of chili jam. It answered chilies. I'm using chili powder. For sweetness, I'm adding sugar. For umami flavor, I'm using soy sauce. But before that, we need to complete this fried rice. Add egg, mix until it mixed. Adding rice from 21st century. Then chili jam look-alike.
I think Jamie puts water in this next.
Oh yeah.
A very few times my food looked this good. I don't want to ruin it by adding water. But anyway, we're gonna do it because it's an important step in Jamie Oliver's cooking. I'm adding leftover broth from my previous ramen video.
Oh,
There's only one thing in life that should be this wet.
only Auntie Esther should be this wet.
No, Sydney Swin.
Sorry, children. Jamie Oliver egg fried rice.
Jamie Oliver's egg fried rice. Let's taste it and rate it.
I'm Western, you know, it's good. Guys, try it.
I'm an Indian, but it is.
Yeah!
Is it wrong or I really have a bad taste in food? I know Uncle Roger gonna hate me for eternity. Here we are. I kept collecting each and everyone's fried rice. In this bowl, bottom one is Nick's and upper one is Jamie's olive oils. This is our super ultra pro max ultimate the 5th fried rice. It's the magical aura of all chefs. Let's taste it. It's 69 out of 10. Just kidding. It's 6.9 out of 10. I know my execution is poor. So that's it. If you like this video at any point, subscribe this channel or you are gay. Sorry, I didn't mean that.